Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace your O2 sensors on your 2012 Toyota Camry. 2012 Toyota Camry, we have two O2 sensors, one here up on the top, and if you read your codes are going to come up that bank 1 is, or it'll come up at 1 is under the threshold or above the threshold, and this would be the top one, the first one, and then there's one on the bottom. But to replace this, there's an electrical connector over here. You're just going to press to unhook. Now we have very easy access that we can get this from the top. This is a 22mm wrench, and then just get it to come loose. Otherwise, they do make sockets that have a big slit in the side that you can put on here if you don't have the space to be able to remove it. And so you see we've got our O2 sensor. It's been removed, and we've just got a little bit of burn on there. It doesn't look really too bad. So clean up the hole and you get a new one. You just put it back in. And then tighten it up. Give it good and tight. And then just hook your electrical connector back up. And that's how you replace your O2 sensor, well, your top O2 sensor on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic. Now, on your 2012 Toyota Camry, we're going to go over the replacement of your second O2 sensor, the one that's under the car. Right? So we'll go over how that one's done, which would be essentially the same, just that it's under the car. So we have the O2 sensor up here. There will be pictures to better identify. Same thing as the top. You've got an electrical connector over here that you're going to undo by pressing and releasing it. And then you're going to take your 22mm wrench. So we got it loose. How to use some extra leverage. O2 sensors really get stuck in there very, very strongly. And so you remove it, take your new one out of the box, or clean this one up, which cleaning them up doesn't really give you that much more lifespan on it, but it may give you a little bit more. But if you have the codes that are going off that you need to replace these, just go ahead and make sure you replace both of them at the same time, because they communicate to the ECU and the computer, and they work together. If you replace just one, it'll help, but it's something that you should replace both at the same time. So, and then you take a new one. Bring it to your hand tight, and then give it a good tight on there. Now just hook your electric back up, and that's how you replace your O2 sensors on your 2012 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can become the mechanic.